Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, here to bring you the latest and greatest in crypto and blockchain. We have so much going on, so let's jump right into everything. Our Discord community continues to grow, now hitting 3,803 members. Whether you're a developer, a builder, or just a curious mind, it's the perfect spot to connect, share, and learn from others exploring the decentralized web. Over on social media, our CEO Kyle shared an important reminder. Your NFTs and files will not simply disappear if you use IPFS. If you're relying on centralized servers like Cloudflare, you might be at risk of content restrictions. Kyle highlighted that maintaining NFT data outside of the blockchain needs clear responsibility, something Pinata and IPFS make easy and secure for both creators and collectors. If you're thinking about long-term NFT preservation, it's definitely worth considering who controls your access. This week, we're putting the spotlight on Gizmo Lab. Gizmo Lab offers ready-to-go solutions like gasless NFT minting, wallet integrations, and dynamic smart contract displays, all customizable for different projects. Their focus on speed, modularity, and ease of integration makes it easier for developers to ship Web3 products without rebuilding basic functionality from scratch. Gizmo Lab hasn't stopped at the front end either. They're expanding into back-end infrastructure, working on transaction bundling and gas optimization. Their collaborations with ecosystems like Optimism and Base show they're deeply committed to building real tools for developers. Gizmo Lab isn't just a dev tool company, they're becoming a foundational piece of the next generation of Web3 development. Just a friendly reminder that Offline is gearing up to host Solana Accelerate in New York City on May 20th. This event will bring together top builders and leaders in crypto with panels focused on AI, dev tools, and blockchain security. It's going to be an amazing opportunity to connect, learn, and spark new ideas. We're excited to be involved, and Pinata will even be hosting a side event during the festivities. If you're in the area, make sure to RSVP in the link down below and swing on by. We'd love to see you there and talk all things crypto, IPFS, and building for the future. To wrap things up today, let's talk about how to upload to IPFS using Python. Even though Pinata doesn't currently have an official Python SDK, that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Thanks to strong community support, it's super straightforward to upload files to IPFS using your own Python code. Especially with the rise of AI and machine learning projects, Python has become the go-to tool for managing decentralized storage needs. In one of our recent posts, we will walk you through how to create simple upload scripts, giving you the flexibility to pin your data reliably and securely with minimal setup. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more content from our team here at Pinata. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone.